Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Sahil Gandhi, and today on the Amul platform, I am demonstrating you a mocktail, which is chocolate grasshopper mocha mocktail. This is one of the best classical version of the cocktail which we have from the United States of America. And here we will be using chocolate syrup and coffee in recipe of the classical cocktail chocolate grasshopper mocha cocktail. We will be using few ingredients. I will demonstrate you few ingredients which we will be using in this particular mocktail. We will start with this chocolate syrup. This is we have made it from Amul chocolate, and we have melted in a double boiler so that it doesn't melt. We are using a condensed milk from Amul, and the ingredients for the chocolate syrup is 30 ml. We'll be using it in the base, 60 ml for the condensed milk, and we'll be using a mint syrup or a mint extract, approximately 20 ml for food coloring. We can also use green food color also into this. It is optional, but we are using a mint extract to give the color as well as the taste in the drink. We are using Amul fresh cream, and we are using Amul gold milk, approximately 60 ml for the drink, and we have made a coffee drink from hot boiling water and 2 tablespoons of coffee into this. We have cooled it to a room temperature, and for garnish we are using whipped cream, some few mint leaves, and coffee powder or a cocoa powder. We can use both of it. It depends on the taste of the individual. And I'll tell you about few Amul products which we have. We are using Amul Gold milk, Amul fresh cream. We have already used Amul chocolate and melted for the same, and Amul fresh cream. We can use it in a shaker also, but it depends on the density and thickness of the drink. So we are using a blender method. Blended method will do a better version. You can see it, because the drinks which contains cream or any kind of milk are heavy in nature. So we'll be using a blender so that it gets properly mixed up. And I'll tell you about the history of the college also. I am from Dhiman Institute of Hotel Management, Meerut, and we are a pioneer institute in the country, and we have almost 11 batches passed out from the students for the hotel management. We are 25 years old institution, and we are growing stronger and older day by day. And I am the head of the department in the institute. So we'll start with the drink first, and I have already told you about the history of the drink also. Like the drink is from United States of America, and if you still go to northern parts or southern western parts of America, you'll still get the classical drink, the drink of cocktail. Like for example, we'll use equal parts of creme de menthe and creme de cacao and mix with ice and stir it and strain it into a glass to give a perfect cocktail taste as well as a texture for the drink. We are using a mocktail, we are preparing a mocktail, so we have added a chocolate syrup and a coffee blend so that it gives sweetness as well as a bitterness to the same drink, and use it according to our palate. And these are the drinks which are generally very popular in America and are given after dinner, for example. These are very heavy in nature, sweet in nature, and it gives a proper taste to your palate after the drink, and you can also use it as a dessert also. Now we will be demonstrating you mocktail step by step. We will be using a chocolate syrup first of all, which we have made it from Amul chocolate by using a double boiler method. You can also use ready-made chocolate syrup which are available in the market. You can use both. We have using Amul chocolate for the same. We will be taking it. We are taking approximately 30 ml to give a base to our drink. Now we will be adding the body of the drink. We will be using a few ingredients like milk, condensed milk from the Amul, some mint extract for color and for taste, cream, and some milk for the body. Now we will be using a shaker or a blender to add we are not using ice, to be very clear on it, because these are already very chilled we are using right now. So the climate condition is also very cool, so we are not using ice into this. And also when we use ice in the same, it gets diluted. The taste of the drink gets diluted. We do not want the drink to be get diluted. We want the taste of each and every ingredient to be come up very properly. And there is a golden rule for the drink: never ever use the same ice twice, because in the previous drink the taste of the drink particular might go along with the ice also. So हम दोबारा एक ही बर्फ को दोबारा यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, बिकॉज हमें हर एक ड्रिंक का टेस्ट टेक्सचर अलग ही चाहिए होता है, और जितनी ड्रिंक ठंडी होती है उतने ही उसका टेस्ट अच्छा आता है. लेकिन हमने ऑलरेडी जो हमारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं ड्रिंक्स के वो सारे हमने चिल्ड यूज़ करें, तो हम आइस को यूज़ नहीं करें, बिकॉज वो हमारे ड्रिंक को डाइल्यूट भी कर सकते हैं. We'll be using first of all milk into this. I can show you. This is Amul Gold milk, approximately 80 ml. Now we are using a condensed milk from Amul. A mint extract to give the color of the grasshopper which we are using into this, approximately 20 ml. Any question as of now? So far, can the audience may ask me few questions if they have any kind of questions as of now. Okay, now we move further. We are using Amul fresh cream. Okay, I'll tell you about the drink also. In the meantime, the drink is very classical example of the cocktail from United States of America. There the people generally prefers a bit on sweeter side the drink they prefer for it. And these are the drinks which are generally given as a after dinner drink. These are also called as digestive. And few drinks which are very light in nature, they are called as aperitif. They are given below, before the drink, before the dinner time.
So there is one question from the
Yes.
audience.
Yes.
If we don't have mint extract, what is the substitute for that?
We can take a mint leaves, or we have a green syrup which is generally available, and you can add a mint flavor or a mint, and you can crush it and you can use it along with this. And also to give a a green color kind of thing, you can also add a food color if you want as an option. If you have a mint syrup, it is very good. It is advisable if you have. Okay, now we blend it. We have using this blender because cream, milk, condensed milk, these are very heavy in nature, and these will not be get properly mixed up if we use it with the help of a shaker or with the help of a stirrer. So we required a very short duration of kind of a blending. Now we'll be making a kind layer in the same, and we'll be using it with the help of a bar spoon. To make it a layer, it has a very simple formula and a basic one. If you want to make suppose 3 layers, the density of the heaviest of the drink which you are adding into the drink has to be at the bottom of it. Next, the lighter from the first one, you will add it on second, and the lightest of all you will add it in the third, so that the layer doesn't get mixed up or the layer doesn't get disturbed. Getting it? And before bringing it up, you use it with the help of a stirrer or a spoon. You can mix it and then you can have it properly. Okay. Now I'll be using a bar spoon, and with the help of a bar spoon, I'll use it from the back of the bar spoon. I'll add the drink so that it doesn't get disturbed and a layer can be formed. If you can see to it, there is clearly two layers which are generally formed over it. And now over it we can add a coffee flavored syrup which we have produced. We can add it again with the same method. The density of this particular coffee has to be goes up. You can clearly see there are three layers into this chocolate syrup at the bottom, the mixture which we have for condensed milk and for milk and cream, and then a coffee flavored drink which we have. You can see clearly three layers of mixture which we have right now, disturbing the any kind of layer into this. Now for garnish we can use our whipped cream. Now over it we can add a few sprigs of mint leaves as a garnish. We can use some more. And over it we can use cocoa powder to sprinkle over it.
Sir, there is one question from the audience.
Yes,
What have you added in the coffee syrup?
200 ml of water and 2 tablespoons of coffee to give it a proper taste and good smell, to increase the consistency as well as to increase the taste and drink and flavor of the drink. And this is our final product. And if you have any question, you can please ask into this. Thank you. There was a technical error due to miscommunication from the network issue we have. Any questions as of now from the drink, or from any substitute if you want to add into this? If you don't have the product available at your place, you may ask me right now. I'm ready to answer you the questions if you have any kind of questions in mind. Okay, I'll just repeat the ingredients also. Uh, we have I'll just give you a brief summary about the drink also. We have added chocolate syrup in the base from using the Amul chocolate which we have by double boiler method. You can also use a chocolate syrup if you don't have this chocolate available. Now, then after that we have a mixture prepared from milk, Amul fresh cream, a mint extract, and condensed milk again from Amul. We have using a blender method. We have you mix it properly without ice because all our ingredients are very chilled enough, and the climate conditions should in these days are good enough that we don't require ice for it. Then I have made a chocolate.
There is one question from the audience. What can be the alternate of whipped cream if we don't want to use whipped cream?
You can use a heavy cream, and by adding sugar over the bed of ice, we can whisk it properly. Nowadays, whipped cream are generally available in the market, and it is generally available in the kind of a spray form, and it is very easily available today. So you don't require a proper method or proper whipping cream or a bed of ice to get it done. You can purchase it from the market. It is very easily available in any of your nearest supermarket if you want to have. And after that, we can add chocolate flavored syrup which we have made by adding 2 tablespoons of coffee and in 200 ml of water. We have boiled it and we have cooled it to a room temperature, and then we have formed a layer over it. Then for the garnish, we have using whipped cream over it and a mint leaves, and over that cocoa powder for garnish. You can consume it after the drink, and generally prefer for the students, for the kids, not for adults or not for the people who are diabetic in nature, because these are very healthy in nature, and it is almost contain around 600 calories of in the same drink. So people who are diabetic, please avoid it. And these are generally preferred for students or for the kids. They generally like sweet, or any kind of people who are having a sweet tooth, they can have it. Any questions from the audience as of now? Thank you.